backrest of this.
Once again, I didn't tell you guys what we're working on. I did say the back rest, but it's the back seat of a 58 VW Volkswagen Bug. I really wasn't planning on splitting this up into 2 videos, but 4-hour video nobody wants to watch. So, I mean, I couldn't sit through it. So we edited it down, and then we also broke it into 2 parts so you could watch the bottom or the back of it. And then we also do a wood back and some other stuff to the seat on another video. So I want to thank you guys for watching. We will get you through it all. Hopefully you guys see some stuff that you didn't know, you're learning, or you're getting ready to buy a seat cover and you're wondering what it takes to go into it. But anybody can do this. You got this.
Job that we're doing. If you saw the other video or if I included it.
All right, today we're working on the backrest of this job that we're doing. If you saw the other video or if I included it into this video, then you saw us do the bottom part. So we're starting out with the burlap, and I'm just going to hog ring it on, and then we're going to do some padding and then some more padding and plastic and vinyl. So let's get started.
A little shakier today than I was yesterday. I got it.
Yay. Now the purpose of the burlap is so the springs don't put holes into your vinyl. Was that a bigger one?
That's a small one.
Small one? All right, let me flip this around. You really got to watch out for the spikes on that. They hurt and they're full of rust. So this seat frames probably should have been sandblasted, but
On a budget.
yeah, on a budget, and might as well spend money where you need to spend money. If this was a complete restoration, I would definitely sandblast them, epoxy them, powder coat them, something. Just kind of shows that you're taking care of it. See, now the vinyl wraps over this, so I'm wondering if I should do that just to protect it a little more.
Yeah.
But I just barely cut it long enough. Okay. Let's finish this corner first. No, this side's not going to wrap over. Shouldn't have cut it first. We're going to do scrim on it, so it'll be safe. All right, that should be good. All right, now we do padding. Last time the padding was super tight, but we have to also see if the cover fits over it good or. Bottom of the seat, we had to stretch the cabegies out of it, but is that a word? That's my word today. Cabegies. Just one more in the center, and that should be good for this. The problem with pulling it tight is that we'll want to tear the foam. I think once we get the vinyl in here, it won't tear. You can just do that, right? Or that, yeah, that feels good. One of the upholstery guys I watch on YouTube has an automatic gun for these.
Nice.
It has like a preloader and everything. It's all loaded up, and you just did it. But that's when you do it professionally.
Yeah.
We don't do this. That's obvious. This is what happens when you have a friend and you're an airbrusher and you say, yes, I could do that. Sure, why not? Mo. Can you hog ring foam together? Sure, why not? Hey, that worked. Better just do that over there. Sorry, Mo. All right, that's foamed. All right, now we'll do scrim and we'll try to wrap as much as we can. Yeah, that'll work because we glued it too.
Yeah.
To this, so, and I'll go like here. So I got plenty to wrap over. Let's go a little more. Okay, and then scissors.
They were over here.
I bury them.
I don't think so.
Yep, there you go. Okay, now this has to wrap to at least to there, so. So right about there. That should be safe.
Yeah.
Whenever I cut, I think of Pac-Man. I don't know why.
Because you're weird?
Yeah, because I'm weird. Wonka, 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 wonka.
And you can't cut a straight line?
Hey, I'm one-eyed bandit right now. I'm doing pretty good for one eye. All right. So we're going to go ahead and hog ring this up. All right, so we laid down the scrim, we test fit it, cut it, and now we're going to glue it. So that can be held up. Watch the spiky things. They've got me like 9 times already. Now this glue is not...
You want to do that, or?
No, let's just do the sides and we'll lay it down and then I'll glue it. This glue is not a real high speed glue because it kind of has to dry before. I guess go ahead and lift it up. Has to kind of dry before you can use it. Okay. And set it down. Does that look straight?
Well, it wasn't straight when
Okay,
you first.
that's right. I can't cut straight, you said.
Nope. It's sticking over here.
That's fine.
But not if you want to work on a certain area first.
All right, lay it down. Is that enough to roll over?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Okay. All right, so I guess we'll do the 4 corners first. No, let's do center first.
Okay.
What?
Do you want to make sure if I lift it up this way, to make sure it's smooth?
Sure.
Just make sure everything's.
All right. Nice and smooshed.
We're going little, right?
Yeah. Just barely fit over the...
Do you want me to use the medium?
No. Might as well use the little ones because otherwise we'll have 10,000 little ones and...
Little one there?
Large.
Okay. Oh, crap. Big?
Yeah. Okay, little ones. Or do you got a big?
Yeah, little. I got what you need.
Okay. I'm your pusher.
Uh-huh.
It's Funny that iced tea became a cop on
A show.
shows.
Ultimate irony.
Yeah. Get that one on.
Need a medium or?
No, I'll get it. I just going at the wrong angle. Okay, now I think we're switching to large.
Oh. You're getting weird folds there.
Okay, let's flip it over. I don't think these wrinkles will matter on the scrim.
Okay. You need to ring it? I have a big one, so I didn't know if you want to go in the foam or little now.
Yeah. I think a big one next. Small.
Small.
We'll just do 2 more and then we're done. And then plastic baggie time. Okay, let's see what we look like.
That's nice.
That'll look good.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very foamy. All right, now we put plastic over it. Okay. Gotta go like that. That should be good enough, right?
Mm-hmm. You laying it down?
Yeah. Should we spray a little spray adhesive and stick this to it?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Just so it doesn't shift too much on us. Just on the upper corners.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, sorry. All right, let's see if we can stick it to it while it's...
Well, don't put too much. Don't put... Me. You want it to wrap the bottom too, right?
Yeah, I guess it just barely needs to wrap the top here.
You really only need it on the top, right? Because we're pulling
Yeah. Yeah, we're pulling downward.
Nice and warm.
That should be a lot more pliable.
Hot, actually. Wow, hot. This one corner is very hot. Wait, did I just do this wrong? I just did.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Yeah,
Right.
I did.
Nope, you're right.
Am I?
Yep.
I got all confused. Seriously, like, very confused.
You got that side?
Uh-huh.
All right, that was the easy part. Now,
This way?
down, lift it up. Now this has to stretch to that. So now comes the fun part. Okay. That's centered on the seat.
Is this going to be a problem?
No, I don't know what that's for. I think it's for a different bug. But that's where the seat rests on the bug back.
Okay.
So I don't know if the thing is supposed to hit metal there. Well, we could trim the plastic away, but and foam or whatever. Okay. Oh, you know what? A bar has to be inserted in here. Don't forget the bar. Wunderbar. Oh. Somehow there's... Yep, it's there. They no likey that side.
Don't like that side either.
Wow.
Is it going in? Because it doesn't look like it's getting any shorter. It looks like you're doing something, but nothing is happening.
It's stuck on the...
It's like trying to put a drawstring back in your sweatpants.
Yeah.
Is it even going past it? They might have.
Stitched over it?
Uh-huh.
Can you spin it? Maybe put it on a drill.
Oh, God.
What? No, I'm serious.
Okay.
The spinning, it helped.
Okay.
Just go super slow. Go ahead. Go the other way. Reverse it. Go. And push it while you're doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that.
Shit. Sorry.
Keep going. Not going?
Now it's rolling this up over here. Whoa. See.
So go the other way.
Huh?
Yeah.
Go the other way?
There you go. Wait, stop. Back up. It's where the seam is. There's the seam allowance is what we're fighting. Okay, try to push it in. Okay.
It went, I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah. Only 4 more to go.
That's it.
And spinning it is what makes the difference. All right. The drill worked out good.
Yeah. That's what the bottom seat needed, right?
It seems like you should have had that, but they didn't. Factory didn't have that. Nope.
Okay. You done?
Yeah.
Did that make any difference?
Yeah, I'm sure it did. You want to put your hand on it just to hold it down? All right, I got it.
Huh? You got it?
Yeah. All right.
I'm trying to get the blood out of my arm again. Did it go?
I got close. I got one. I need to get two more. I can't get my fingers in there. I hate using pliers on it, but I got it. Okay. That was the easy side. Oh. Okay, I got that one. Okay, I got one more way out here. Hold on, this one's bent. Straight. There we go.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I think so. Yep, I got it. Wow. Well, the good thing about these seat covers is they're tight.
Mm.
think I got one more to do here. Got two more to do here.
You need heat or?
No, because I think we got the corners and the outside edge done. All right, how's that look?
Looks good.
Okay, now something on this corner they did. I think this goes onto those. There's no way. Is that pulled nice and straight or?
Yeah. I mean, it's a little
Wavy?
Yeah. And it's better like that.
It's better like that?
Mm-hmm.
Better untouched?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But I think we need to hog ring it.
Yeah, it wouldn't be too bad if you did it in the center. It doesn't change it too much. Heat?
I don't know. No, I could pull it there. Is that good?
That's fine. No, don't put too much. Big one? Medium? Little?
Let's do medium. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We did that side, and it took everything I had, and a ton of heat. So, it's not an easy task.
Do you want to flip it around?
I mean, right now we're 3 to 4 inches away, and
The,
I don't understand.
this has got to become more than.
It needs like a winch.
Flip it on the other.
It really you really got to stretch it. I don't know if I used the wrong foam, but I know I used seat topper foam. But I know that the foam will outlast the car, so just really puts a stress on the sewing and vinyl and everything. Okay, one more. One more up here. That was an easy one. I don't work on the train rail with you. All right. I wonder if we should go one more over this way. Please?
Yeah, that'd be okay. It still looks okay. Was it a medium, right? Okay.
Which one did we go to? So there really isn't one in the middle, huh? No, that's in between the two.
Yeah, that seems even.
Okay. Well, I can tell you, it does look nice. Looks very full. So you guys let me know what you guys think.
It does look pretty.
It's supposed to have, I think, a board that goes back here and screws into that metal frame. But, I mean, out of all the years I've ever driven a Volkswagen and had a Volkswagen, I've never put the back seat down. I know original, it's supposed to have a board so when you fold the back seat down, you can have a bigger storage area. But it's a Volkswagen Bug. Who's putting storage in it? He's going to put a speaker box in the back, and that'll probably be it. So now I couldn't find anything for what these are for. So on the other one, I just kind of tied them around the springs. I don't know where they're supposed to go, what they're supposed to do. On the other seat, they had some on both sides. This doesn't. Yeah, this doesn't have any up there. So I mean, I don't know. And also, I don't know what these areas are for. So, Volkswagen seats are kind of new to me. I'd build custom. I always do like custom big old speaker boxes in the back and get rid of the seats altogether because nobody can sit back there anyways. I mean, unless you're 4 years old and can't reach the pedals. I just talk about pedals because I'm jealous. 4-year-olds usually can reach. I can't. All right. So that's it. We'll do a video afterwards when we go to put them in. And I'll just put it on the end of this video. And you guys can see how well or how crappy we did. For me, I'm impressed. I did pretty good. It took a lot more pulling than I thought.
Yeah.
A lot more struggle. But this is the struggle bug, so everything on this job has been a struggle, so. But I think it turned out good. All right. You guys, in the comments, let me know your struggles. If you guys have done Volkswagen bugs, buses, seats, any kind of car seats, any upholstery, let me know what you guys have struggled on. All right. Let's get them installed. All right. We got the back seat in. Has to come back out. We don't have the bar on it, but it turned out pretty good. I'm kind of happy with the way it looks. I don't know if there's a better way to film it in the car, but let me go around because there's no windshield. So we need the bar, we need the board that goes underneath the seat. But otherwise, I think it turned out great. I'm going to go sit in it, see how cushy it is.
Sure.
Hey, thanks for watching that whole entire video. I know the audio is terrible, the video is terrible, the lighting, I get it. Leave a comment down below on what you think we need to improve on. It should be a lot of comments. This was how I do a backseat. I've never done a Volkswagen one before, but I have done Mustangs and Camaros and other seats like that towards hog ring and burlap and all that stuff. So I'm used to it. One thing we did do was we used that thicker foam, and it made us struggle a lot more on pulling it around, but it made the seat really fill out that pre-sewn seat cover. I want to say it was a win. I know we struggled real hard, but it's part of doing upholstery, especially when you're working with vinyl and stuff like that. I would rather the seat be too tight and fit like it did, which actually all the seams lined up perfect, than be loose and wrinkles in it and all that stuff. So I think it turned out pretty good. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you didn't see part one, go back and check it out. It's the bottom of the seat, and we're gonna have another portion coming up, which is doing the back, filling in that back piece of that seat. So that way when you look through the back window, you don't see a big open hole. So I want to thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome. Hit that like button.
But let me go around.